you need to prepare the USB cable and you need to connect your phone to a computer. It is important to connect to a computer, not a power charger or adapter, because it won't work. Now we need to power off our phone. There we go. And after that, we need to wait for the charging information to appear on the screen. So you will have the charging logo and charging information at the bottom after that with the battery percentage. There we go. Now press and hold the power button and volume up button, and you need to hold it like this until you see the Android recovery menu. So even if you see the Samsung logo, you still need to keep holding it like this. Remember, power button and volume up. Hold it. And now you can release both buttons. Use volume up and volume down to navigate in this menu and go to wipe data / factory reset. Confirm your choice by using power button. Then over here, scroll down again to factory data reset and confirm your choice with power button. If you see any additional instructions on the screen, then of course follow them to finalize this process and perform hard reset by using this recovery mode. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.